the BTS after work, trying to get this elusive Bad Badtz Maru card. Yeah! Mike's gonna be so happy. Right now I'm at BTS Siam station where I work, and today after work we decided we're gonna go to Hua Lamphong, which is on this MRT line. Gonna go ahead and transfer right there. Rush hour crowd at the BTS. I don't know if I can get in. One small tip, you do not want to be standing behind like a really big sweaty person because yeah, it's gonna smell. Ribbon for the king. Transferring to the MRT now. So in Thailand there's two separate metro lines. You got the BTS system and you got like the MRT systems that the Japanese laid down. And they're different systems, so you even have to use different cards. BTS Club. Burger King. Holy crap, this is a long transfer. Damn, I forgot. If you ever need to transfer, use that skywalkway. You can avoid all the foot traffic down here. The Thai-Japanese bridge. I trust the Japanese when it comes to subways. More metal detectors. MRT card. Gotta go to Hua Lamphong. Anyways, this is a tricky ass station, Silom. MRT here, unlike other subways, where you know going on the left side of the tracks or the right side of the tracks takes your train one way or another. This one, it operates based on multiple floors. So Hua Lamphong is there. You would have taken that other step, that would have taken you down to just the first level. And if you accidentally do this and end up at that level, and take that train, you're gonna be going in the opposite direction. Oh shit! Oh shit, I think the train's here. Ah! Okay. Missed it! You got these routes above every stop. When in doubt, check.
สถานีหัวลำโพง
Hua Lamphong. Exit to Hua Lamphong Railway. Mayu waiting for me after work.
20 minutes.
20 minutes waiting for me.
I was working for 9 hours and then 20 minutes, like 2 hours.
Should've checked how long it's gonna take.
I thought you were gonna come earlier. Oh, I just stay in the hotel for 10
Don't know how long it takes to go from Siam Place. Hey, what the fuck, babe? Like, this place has like a long underground walkway. This is new. Ooh, whoa, what is this? Check this out. Whoa. Somebody's a little tired. Yeah, these doctors that I teach, they just told me straight up today that they don't want to learn anything from the book. Ooh, Hua Lamphong Station. Hey babe, these people are just waiting for the train,
In the
right?
morning, so tomorrow morning, they're gonna close the station like 10:30 or 11. So they are going to catch the train in the morning.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Is it cool?
Yeah, so like, let's say you're traveling and you're on a budget.
Oh, what? I don't know. Maybe these are the homeless people.
Either way, if you're on a budget,
There's free accommodation.
free accommodation with the homeless. Oh,
Station.
it feels super cool in here. Wow. Dunkin' Donuts, just like America. Yeah, backpacking trap. So we're here to ask which train is the new train. There's these brand new trains that the Chinese made, the sleeper trains that look pretty badass. These are like different times that they have. And then if we can guarantee ourselves on the newer sleeper trains, huh? Ba! Pa!
Chinese, right?
Part is Korean. Hachiroku. You speaking Thai. You just chilling and enjoying the sight. I've been to so-called tourist destinations in Asia that are far less interesting than this. Mayu searching for flights in Japanese. So what happened is the first class sleepers that we've been trying to get, they're all sold out. I'd rather just save this experience of the first class sleeper for another time. Try to get there in like 2-3 hours so we have more time to explore Chiang Mai instead of going in loser second class. Yeah, looking at the prices. So we're paying $300, so $10 more just to fly there. Save some time, right? Ooh, pictures. Mugs. Exhibit. Aww, so sad. So Mayu,
Yeah?
you're not too happy with how things worked out? No sleeper?
No, I'm okay with a second class sleeper, but you are not really happy.
No, it's because I believe you deserve first class, babe. What are you doing?
I'm writing my name.
Oh, Mayu is writing her name.
My butt writing. No, you cannot show it.
Are you more interested in writing your name or?
Oh my god, how did you get it?
Oh.
You're gonna give it to me, two of them? Oh my god, so cute, so cute.
Yeah, someone's happy. Found it. I wasn't gonna give it to you. I was gonna wait until we get back home to do the, unveil, unwrapping, but you seem so sad.
Anyways, I'm happy. I'm happiest on the earth right now. Yay. So happy.
Which one do you like better? White or black?
I like black one though.
Oh yeah? Damn it.
Yeah? Okay.
No.
Don't worry.
I'm white because I am an angel. White. Police. Ooh, military. Whoa. Passengers arrive. Hua Lamphong Station, Bangkok. Where the rails start and lead to the end of the earth. Feels pretty big. Holy crap. Complicated yet very detailed time schedules. So is this the older cars? Yeah, this is just amazing. Maybe this will increase our views because apparently cat videos are the most interesting videos to most people. Bangkok cat. In Bangkok Station. Ooh, I think this is a new one, babe. Pretty pink train. What? Alcohol drop. Oh, they don't want you drinking on the train. Judging by them being empty, I think the employees just drank out of them. King Rama the Five.
Oh, what is his name?
King Rama the Five.
King what?
His Highness.
King what?
His Majesty.
Chula Lamphong.
King Chula Lamphong.